So hello friends, as you can see I am running my game without any problem. It is running well, and first of all I also have the same problem faced in VC2, but if for me you will also have no problem. Okay, and now I am stopping this game. So just give me some time. Okay, the game is turned off, and you just have to follow some steps. It's very easy, 5 steps. It will take 5 minutes. You can just do it. First of all, you make sure that your interconnection is turned off. As I have already done it, so I'm not turning off my interconnection. My interconnection is turned on, so that's not a problem. I'm just showing you what I have done in my PC. You just follow me and you will also be able to do it. And then you have to turn off your interconnection, and then you have to make your Windows date 9 April 2015. Actually, uh, before 14th April of 2015 you have to do it. I have said 9 April 2015, and you also do it. Okay, then go to the installation folder of your game and just follow me as I do in my tutorial. Okay guys, then follow me, and you have to go to your installation folder. As I have installed my game in this folder, in the GTA 5 installation folder, I am going here, and you go to your own folder. Okay, you can see here two icons, and one is GTA 5 exe and other is GTA 5 launcher exe. And go to its properties, and you can see here compatibility mode, and go here, and you can see here I have clicked here run this program as an administrator. You just make sure that it is clicked on. Okay, and it was not clicked on before I did it, and now it is clicked on, and you also do it and follow me. So it's okay, and now we have to go the next icon, then do the same thing with this. Okay, as you can see it is also clicked on as run as program as an administrator. Okay, your work is done. You have to do nothing without this, and you now can play your game. After starting your game you can change your date. Okay, so turn on your game and it will run, and as I have run it, there will also be no problem with you. I also faced the activation problem with myself, and after doing this I have faced no problem. Okay, then now you can set your present date. After running your game you can set your present date. As you can see my present date is as you can see, so I have no problem faced. So please, this is my new channel, don't forget to subscribe, and please like and share if you like. And if you have any problem, please comment in my video. I will try to answer your problem. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and welcome.